Welcome back to another video.
What's up, guys?
And this one's actually kind of exciting.
It is.
We've been keeping a secret for a while now, and it's been in the works for a while. And today's the day that Zervan's actually leaving alone because what's happening?
I'm gonna drive up by myself all the way to Seattle and gonna drop off this bus at Peace Vans. We're gonna get a whole new setup. The bus will be an actual camper van.
Yeah, and we're really excited. We definitely, after months on the road with our DIY conversion, realized there's a lot of things missing that we wish we would have. So we won't give too much yet because we want to leave it a big reveal at the end of this video, but we're excited to have a completely new bus.
Yeah, it will be exciting. But for that, first we have to kick off Taylor because she stays in California. Bye! This is the first road trip actually that I do in the US by myself, or like a longer road trip. Today will be a full driving day. Actually, I won't make it to Seattle though today. I will stay overnight somewhere in the outskirts of Portland. I will stay at a hotel. So stay tuned, this will be a fun video. A little bit more behind the scenes again. I'll just bring you along. We'll get to know the Peace Vans people, all the team behind that, and maybe a little bit of a behind the scenes of how they do their work. This will be a fun little road trip. Little. I arrived at the second charger. We are still... Oh, actually, we're in Oregon. Okay. We are already in Oregon. I didn't even realize. Close to Medford, and there are Iona chargers here. When I saw them the first time on social media, they have one of the coolest designs, I have to say that. They're 39 cents a kilowatt hour plus tax, it says. I've been driving the whole day now. It is, what time it is? It's 5:40 now. I'm super tired, but I arrived at the hotel. Cool thing is, they have a charger here, Tesla charger, too, and I had to use an adapter for that too. But I have mine with me, so that's great. I'm gonna check in now, and then probably still have to do some work, and yeah, go to bed. Good morning, people, to day 2 of driving up to Seattle to Peace Vans and dropping off the bus to get a conversion. It is 7:40. I think I woke up around 6, got ready and had breakfast, grabbed some coffee too. And now, let's see, the bus says 3 hours and 5 minutes, 181 miles to get to Seattle. I still have a small little drive. Yeah, I charged 100% actually though, here at the hotel charger. It's free, so I was like, why not? And then I don't have to charge on the way and can just drop the bus off. And then Peace Vans can charge my car. I don't know if they have a charger. It's raining, it's a yucky day, but let's do it. Let's drive up to Seattle, huh? We arrived at Peace Vans. Here it is. Bam. And now we're gonna go inside and finally get to know Harley. Let's check it out. Come here. Come with me. They have a couple buses here. Here's one. And then back there is a bus. Here's the Peace Vans office. Let's go inside. Here we are at Peace Vans. Check.
Hey everyone, Harley here at Peace Vans. Very excited to sit down and talk to you today about the ID Buzz and everything we've been doing for the past year to build the ID Buzz into an amazing new camper van for you. As you may or may not know, Peace Vans has been working on classic Volkswagen campers for almost 15 years. And over those 15 years, probably the #1 question we get asked is, where is the modern version of the classic Volkswagen camper van? And we've been wondering that too. So about a year ago, when it became certain that the ID Buzz was coming to the United States, we decided to go all in on the ID Buzz and build a whole series of products and solutions for the ID Buzz to turn it into a modern camper van. I personally have been driving one. I probably have 10,000 miles on one over the past year. I can't tell you the joy I get, for example, when I drop my kid off at school and the parking guys, managing all the kids dropping off, they're all giving me the thumbs up. We we just want to get more people out there using them and driving them and having fun in them. And so we've been trying to find partners to do that. Taylor and Zervan reached out to us, and they happen to have a Pomelo yellow ID Buzz and have been trying to drive and have the EV camping experiences in all lower 48 states. So we discussed, sending them on the road and trying to knock off the remaining, I think, 23 dates in their ID Buzz so they can document it. They can share with you their lessons of traveling in an EV across the US. So excited to work with Taylor and Zervan. Can't wait to see what they come up with. Come along for the ride.
We're gonna go over to the new warehouse office from Peace Vans. And this is the first time I'm driving actually another Buzz.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's fun.
I've never been in another Buzz.
Cute.
Is this your personal one?
Yeah, that's my personal one. We have a couple different Buzzes, and it was like, well, do I really need to drive a personal one? But I was like, yeah, it's so much fun to drive. And my kid loves it.
Yeah, I bet.
All her friends love it. Like I've said before, it's like, I already was the cool dad because of what I do. And I like to think that's who I am. But like picking the kids up in the Buzz and dropping, Eden off at school, it is kind of like the cool dad thing.
Yeah, it is definitely. Like the Buzz makes people happy. It makes people smile all the time.
It's like there's still nothing out there that's even close to being unique like it. Like there's a sea of
gray and black
cars, sedans.
Yeah,
it's a unique vehicle.
I agree.
So, and hope Volkswagen, has some success with that.
And it makes everyone happy. That's what we realize. Even people who would never buy a car like this, like who would only drive like a diesel huge truck, even they're like, wow, this is such a cool car.
Yeah. So this is the main kind of original shop here. Yo, what's up? Hello. What you got there?
Hey.
So yeah, we have a couple different buildings. We have this building, then next door we work on some Sprinter vans. We run the rentals out of there. And then down the alley we have a whole warehouse with a paint booth and storage that we really don't use much, the paint booth.
Yeah.
But every once in a while we'll do a real restoration project down there. We actually have a Carmen Gia in the paint booth right now. We're doing an EV conversion for a pretty well-known person that I can't disclose who it is.
Oh, it's a secret.
But he's a musician in a very famous Seattle-based band.
Ah,
and he
okay.
actually just retired this year. So maybe you can piece together who that is. Super cool guy. This is electric.
Oh, this is electric?
Yeah. So this is just stored here for now. We'll move this into the other shop when we're done moving. But, you can see the electric motor in there.
That's crazy. The silver thing, that's electric motor, and then it goes to the...
And then it mates to the stock transmission. And I don't know if you've ever heard of Burning Man, the art festival. So this is our Burning Man art car.
Oh, cool.
It's a big lemon.
Oh, you guys participate every year?
Yeah.
The whole team?
No, just me.
Oh, just you. You go every year to Burning Man?
28 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
I always wanted to go, but then I saw the prices of the tickets.
Yeah, it's a commitment. And my kid goes now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my friends go. Yeah, I've been going forever. So.
Wow, okay.
That's a lot of fun. Yeah, that lemon car was the first van we converted electric. So that's an electric art car. You can come over here.
This one looks like an Indiana Jones car.
Yeah. Yeah, you can look in here and sort of see, this is all electric under here.
That's so that's all the batteries, huh?
Yeah.
Why do people want to build out their cars to electric?
It's just so much more fun and it's reliable.
Okay.
Like nowadays, we're doing a Porsche soon, but it just makes it more reliable. Like the old internal combustion cars, it's hard to find anyone to work on them. It's hard to find parts. And some of the conversions we've done, like for example, we delivered a 77 bus to a customer in San Francisco 16 months ago, and we haven't heard from them.
Oh, wow.
And we get data every week. They upload data to the cloud, and we analyze the data, and it's like the car's running perfectly. They're like 15,000 miles.
Wow.
Yeah. These are all like customer vans, all different kind of stories with each van. Like this van, the customer bought this original from the dealer in 1977. We restored it for him about 7-8 years ago. and he's getting really old, and he couldn't drive the manual transmission anymore. So we actually converted it to an automatic.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so he's
Huh.
going to get a few more years of driving out of his amazing, beautiful, unique bus.
Yeah. This is the new building. Wow,
Yeah,
cool.
it's kind of a mess. We're moving in. Here's the ID Buzz with the pop top.
That's so cool. Now
yeah.
see it in person?
Yeah.
Wow. Crazy, it makes it even bigger. That's so cool.
I'm inside the ID Buzz with the pop top. I'm just going to go over some of the high level features of this full camper conversion from Peace Vans in the ID Buzz. First of all, you'll see the seat here, but you get to lounge on it. It folds into a bed. Each side actually folds independently. It's a twin size bed. You've got a sink right here. This is where your sink faucet comes out of. You have your fridge under here. Your induction cooktop is over here. You have a table that flips up here. And then you have all sorts of storage. You have these storage drawers under here, a big storage drawer here. You also have charging ports everywhere. I think there's a total of like 8 different charging ports. There's a lot of thought has gone into this. I mean, everything from the cushions, how they're sewn, how the material that goes into them to make sure they're comfortable to sit on, to the countertop choices. This is a product called Rich Light. And then the wood that we use is Baltic birch. We really wanted an organic feel to the van. And then you see the pop top, just panoramic view of everything.
With the pop top, when you come here, you can actually now stand in the Buzz, which is pretty, let me make it lighter. Pretty cool. So basically, where the sky roof was, is now the pop top. I'm back at the old Peace Vans office where I dropped off the Buzz. That's where it's standing right now. Yeah, I got the whole tour of the Peace Vans facility. Super nice party, super nice. I met he showed me everything around. That was super cool. And I met Ginger too in person today, and everyone is super nice, super friendly. So far, my experience here, really cool. I'm gonna actually be here for a little bit more because my flight is leaving tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna check into my hotel around 3 p.m. And yeah, so I'm gonna hang for a little bit here before I leave to go to the hotel to check in and get some work done. My suitcase is packed. The Buzz is dropped off at Peace Vans. I'm gonna leave the bus here now. I'm gonna say bye. We can say bye together, and then I'm gonna go to the bye Buzz. And now Peace Vans has the Buzz for the next 2 months till around February. And during that time, I will be in Germany. So this video is coming around March 2026, so it's still a while, but we already started filming because we wanted to show like the whole process of dropping off the Buzz and then getting to know the people from Peace Vans. And yeah, super fun video so far for you guys. Now I'm just gonna do like a swipe like this, and you will skip 2 months. But for me, now I will spend 2 months with family, and for that, I'm really excited. 2 months. Zip.
2 months later, and we're back in Seattle. We're at Peace Vans, and we're gonna see our Buzz for the first time after its conversion.
We're super excited to go inside now, and let's see how it will look like.
Bye. Okay.
Okay, excited to see the Buzz.
All right, let's see.
Let's see. The Buzz is behind this door. Let's go in and...
Crazy.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh my god, this is...
Now it looks
crazy.
like a completely different, crazy. And now we can stand in it finally, which is awesome. Now it's an actual van.
Okay guys, we are sitting in our Buzz. in our new apartment slash house. This is crazy.
Sunbuzz 3.0.
Oh my gosh. Like, look, we're just sitting inside, like, now in the back.
Yeah.
Before we were like, when we were sitting here, I remember before we had to always like sit like this because this whole place was just a bed.
Yeah.
And
so
now
we
have,
can actually have a couch, and
we have a counter
we'll
here.
give a full tour soon, but
Yep.
it's definitely going to be a game changer for us this year as we're finishing up our remaining 23 states, and we can't wait. We can't wait to show you guys this whole new setup, but it's definitely going to be a crazy, easier way to travel, so
Yep.
we can't wait.
And there's some really cool things already here. I can just tease it. You can dim the light. You can dim the light down there. You have some charging here. There's some stuff there. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, we will definitely show you everything more in detail and better how everything looks like. But right now we're just
Sneak peek.
this is just a sneak peek, and we're super excited. This is like, I can't believe this is our home.
Safe travels.
Thank you. We are officially back on the road, which is crazy. Our 2026 adventure has officially begun. We just, of course, left Peace Fans, got the buzz, and now we're on the road headed to California. And yeah, we just gave you a little bit of a sneak peek of our conversion Sunbuzz 3.0, which is crazy. It's going to be such a game changer for this year. We're so excited. We're really thankful for this whole amazing work that Peace Fans did, and we can't wait to share more and collaborate with them as this journey continues. So stay tuned for the next video. We are going to do a full tour where we'll go in depth about the buzz and the conversion and how everything works, and give you all the insight into everything, because it's a really nice, cool setup. Yeah, so stay tuned. Subscribe, like, follow along. We can't wait to share more, and this year is going to be even bigger than next year, so we're excited. We're excited for you to join our journey in Sunbuzz, and we can't wait to share more. So, peace signs.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.